Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about grammar lesson present perfect tense. So let's get started. So what's the present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is a verb tense that is used to talk about or indicate actions or events that are completed at some indefinite point in the past but have a connection to the present moment. It is a compound tense that is formed by the present tense of the auxiliary verb has, have, and the past participle of the main verb. What's the past participle? Past participle is a verb form that is used in various tenses in English, such as past perfect tense, present perfect tense, or passive voices. Forming the present perfect tense, here is a basic structures that you can use in your sentences. So let's see. Subject plus has, have plus past participle and plus the rest of the sentence. The structure is consists of three parts. First is subject. Subject is the person or thing that is performing the action. Use has, have for subjects I, you, we, they. For plural subjects, use has for singular subject like he or she, it, or referring to a singular noun. Been. This is the fixed part of the structure that indicate the ongoing nature of action. Verb ing. Ing is used to indicate that action is ongoing. To make the present perfect tense, we need two things: auxiliary verb has, have, and a past participle of the main verb. Think of auxiliary verb like a helping verb for most of it, but for example, he, she, it, or use has or have. Imagine a small words has or have and a past participle standing together. They work as a team to make the tense. Regular versus irregular verbs. Some verbs follow the rules nicely, like a regular verb like play becomes have played. Others don't follow the rules. Irregular verbs like go becomes have gone. Here are some simple examples that help you understand the present perfect tense. For example, I have eaten. Have with have and past participle eaten. And the next example is she has read with has and past participle read. And next example is they have visited with have and past participle visited. In nutshell, forming present perfect tense is like putting a has or have. Some follow the rules and some do their own thing. This structure will help you to make present perfect tense more easily and remember how to construct. She has traveled to many countries. In this example, the use of has traveled indicate the action of happening in the past or many centuries is completed, but it is relevant to the present, suggesting that she have gained some experience or knowledge from her travels. Indefinite time frame. This specific time and action occurred is not mentioned. It could be a recent event or something that happened more distant past. Use of signal words. Signal words just like just, already, yet, ever, never, since are often used in present perfect tense, so this provide additional context or hint or where you find present perfect tense. I never been to Paris. This sentence means that up to the present moment the speaker never visited Paris. More examples like I have been studying English for 2 years. They have been playing soccer since morning. He has been working on computer all day. Here is a multiple choice questions to test your knowledge. Which of the following is the present perfect tense? So option A, she has painted a beautiful picture. Option B, he painted the fence yesterday. Option C, they have been playing soccer all afternoon. And D, I will play tennis tomorrow. You can pause the video and check your answer. Correct option is they have been playing soccer all afternoon. The present perfect tense can bit a confusing for English learners, but it is often used to describe accomplishment or experience and challenges and ongoing results that are relevant to the present. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you understand present perfect tense. See you in the next video.